daylight ringing bell. She puts the song in my sail, and the wind hums along. Golden daisy, my sunshine lady. If she can't save me, I'd rather be lost. She's the song that I wanna sing, the book that I wanna read. When the day gets long and my strength is gone, she comes running back to me. She's the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet. She's the song that I wanna sing. Wide-eyed dreamer, restless sleeper. She's a reckless believer in all my foolish plans. And no matter where I go, I will always keep her close. She's my rock, she's my blood, she's my soul, and she makes me a better man. She's the song that I wanna sing, the book that I wanna read. When the day gets long and my strength is gone, she comes running back to me. She's the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet. She's the song that I wanna sing. And if you ask me to remember my favorite part, well, it's the way she always cuts right through, straight to my heart. She's the song I wanna sing, the book that I won't read. When the day is long and my faith is gone, she comes running back to me. She's the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet.